So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and fix iOS 16.7.14 if for some reason it's just not installing on your iPhone. Now, the very first thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about is going through and making sure you have enough storage saved up inside of your device. So what you can do is you can make your way over into your settings application of your iPhone. You then want to scroll down until you find this general option. Go through, click on iPhone storage, and just make sure you have enough storage saved onto your iPhone. Sometimes that can be the main problem you might have, and you might just want to make sure that's not the issue. So go through, make sure that's not the problem right there, and that's the very first thing I recommend kind of thinking about. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is double checking your Wi-Fi and your internet connection. So go through, double check your Wi-Fi connection, double check your internet connection right there, and that can be another very easy way of kind of fixing this problem as well. So all you're going to have to do is just double check your Wi-Fi connection, your cell connection, make sure that's not the problem. You can also try going through and just try kind of restarting your iPhone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart it, slide the power off and give it a few seconds, power it back on. You want to see if that ends up fixing it. If that still doesn't do it, you might want to try basically installing the software via your computer. So that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.